Hey everyone, welcome to our Samsung Galaxy A32 review video. Today we will be discussing the latest mid-range smartphone by Samsung and exploring its features and specifications. So let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel Mobiles Talk so you never miss any update. Design. First things first. Let's talk about the design of the Samsung Galaxy A32. The device comes with a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, which is great for watching videos and browsing the web. The back of the device features a unique plastic design that reflects light at different angles, giving it a distinct look and feel. Performance. Moving on to performance. The Samsung Galaxy A32 comes with a MediaTek Helio G80 processor and 4GB RAM. The device handles day-to-day tasks with ease and can handle multitasking and gaming quite well. It also comes with 128GB of internal storage, which can be expanded up to 1TB using a microSD card. Camera. The Samsung Galaxy A32 features a quad camera setup on the back, consisting of a 64MP primary camera, an 8MP ultra-wide camera, a 5MP macro camera, and a 5MP depth sensor. The camera produces sharp and detailed images with accurate colors and great dynamic range. It also has a 20MP front-facing camera, which takes great selfies and video calls. Battery life. One of the standout features of the Samsung Galaxy A32 is its battery life. The device comes with a massive 5,000 mAh battery, which easily lasts for a full day of heavy usage. It also supports 15W fast charging, which can charge the device from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. Software. The Samsung Galaxy A32 runs on Android 11 with Samsung's One UI 3.1 skin on top. The software is intuitive and easy to use, and Samsung has done a great job of optimizing it for the device. It also comes with a variety of features and customization options, allowing users to tailor the device to their liking. Conclusion. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A32 is a great mid-range smartphone that offers great value for money. It has a unique design, solid performance, great cameras, excellent battery life, and a user-friendly software experience. If you're in the market for a mid-range smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy A32 is definitely worth considering.